So you lost your house to a fire. Now what? As a home builder, I've had the opportunity helping many different homeowners to rebuild their home after a disaster. What I would like to share in this video is a few tips and advices what to do when you lose your home. Number one, prioritize your mental health. This is a massive loss. It is perfectly okay to feel overwhelmed. Matter of fact, it's weird if you don't feel overwhelmed. Don't try to handle it all your own. You want to be in a place where you talk about how you feel. Talk to friends, talk to family, talk to even a therapist. Get help, do things for yourself, take some time off, work out, drink more water, go to the beach, do whatever you feel like that makes you happy. Once you are in a good position and your mental health is stable, the rest of this process is going to be way easier. Number two, work smart with your insurance. Understand one thing, insurance adjusters are trained to deny your claim. That's how insurance companies making their money. What you want to do is to be prepared. You want to read your policy and understand it. You want to make a list of every damaged and lost item you have. You want to document everything. I'm talking about phone calls, messages, videos, photos, whatever you have in mind. And on top of it, you want to hire a private adjuster. They can get the most out of your claim. Number three, practice negotiation. You gotta understand, you're going to get into a negotiation period where the insurance is going to tell you that they owe you X, but that X is not enough to build half of a house, not even talking about a house. What you need to do is to start higher. Since they are going to start lower, eventually you're going to meet in the middle. What you want to do is to practice negotiation. I would recommend reading the book Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss, or if you don't have time for it, go to YouTube, find some videos about negotiations and listen. Every small tip is going to help you get more money from your policy. Number four, find a good home builder. Now this is a big one. You want to find a home builder who understands you, who listens to you, who asks you the right questions. I'm talking about what's a home for you? What did you like in your old home? What would you like to have in your new home? What did you dislike about your old home? And then he can build a game plan around you and not something that he feels is right. This is a very, very long and frustrating process. You don't want to work with a person who doesn't understand you. You want to work with a person who gets you. When we get into a project like that, we ask the homeowner probably about 100 different questions about what they liked and what they want to have in their new home. Only then we start with the plan process. It's a long process, but eventually it's worth it because when they get the keys, they are the happiest. Number five, find a community. Going through it alone is way too much, and you really don't have to do it. What you can do is connect to some neighbors or groups who have gone through similar experiences before. You would be surprised. Other people can share their experience with you and help you, or even better, you can help them. Sometimes helping other people will help you heal faster. Recovering from a wildfire is something that can be extremely difficult, but step by step, it's not only possible to rebuild your home, but also your life. If you need any other help or you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out at any time. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with a person who might need it. Thank you again and stay strong.